So this is our problem of the day. If 5.0 grams of an impure ion reacted completely with 75 centimeter cube of 2.0 mole per decimeter cube hydrochloric acid to give a neutral solution, calculate the percentage purity of the sample of ion. So we need to first write down the stoichiometric equation. So the impure ion, Fe, then it was reacted with hydrochloric acid to give iron chloride and then hydrogen gas. So we need to balance this equation. There are 2 moles of hydrogen gas here, and there's 1 mole here, so we need to multiply this place by 2. And since chlorine is 2, so the equation becomes balanced. So we know that the number of moles of the ion sample with reference to the number of moles of the hydrochloric acid is equal to 1:2. So number of moles of the ion sample, and then we know that number of moles is equal to concentration times volume. So divided by the concentration of the hydrochloric acid, then times the volume of the hydrochloric acid, should still give us 1/2. So what we then do is number of moles of ion is equal to 1/2 times the concentration of the hydrochloric acid times the volume of the hydrochloric acid. So continuing from here, number of moles of the ion sample, pure ion sample, is equal to 1/2, then times the concentration of the hydrochloric acid was given as 2.0 mole per decimeter cube, and then times the volume. The volume was given as 75 centimeter cube, which is the same as 0.075 decimeter cube. So at the end of the day, the number of moles of the pure ion sample is equal to 0.075 moles. Now, since we have the number of moles, what we need to do is to calculate the mass of the pure sample of the ion and compare it with the 5 grams of the impure sample. But we know that mass is equal to the molar mass of the ion. So the molar mass of the ion, then times the number of moles of ion. But molar mass of ion is 56 grams per mole. And then the number of moles of the ion that was gotten from the reaction is 0.075 moles. So if you multiply, you see that the mass of the pure sample of ion obtained is 4.2 grams. So percentage purity is equal to the mass of the pure ion sample divided by the mass of the impure ion sample times 100%. So this is equal to 4.2 divided by 5.0 times 100%, and this is equal to 84%.